Most traders lose money because they buy too late or sell too early. Price looks random until you learn how to trade support and resistance the smart way. This strategy is called the support and resistance area bounce strategy. It's simple and perfect for beginners. You only need 3 things. First, a support and resistance area indicator to mark strong price zones. Second, a trend or confirmation indicator like a moving average or momentum filter. Third, clean price action. Buy rules. Wait for price to drop into a strong support area. Look for price to slow down or reject that zone with long wicks or small candles. Make sure the overall trend is bullish or price is above your trend filter. Enter a buy when a bullish candle closes inside or just above the support zone. Sell rules. Wait for price to rise into a strong resistance area. Look for rejection, upper wicks, or weak bullish candles. Confirm the trend is bearish or price is below your trend filter. Enter a sell when a bearish candle closes inside or just below the resistance zone. Always place your stop loss a few pips outside the support or resistance area, not inside it. This protects you from fake breakouts and market noise. This strategy helps you trade with structure, not emotions. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download free indicators and templates to start trading smarter today.